Hello! In this video, I'm going to give you some general hints about creating videos using CanvasEDU. Here I am on my Canva account, and to start a video, I'm going to select Video Projects from the top bar. There's a variety of templates here that you can start with if something appeals to you. But if you don't like any of those, sometimes it's just as easy to start fresh. To get to a blank video template, you're going to select See All, and then you can start with a blank video. This will open up here in the Canva Creation Center, and I just want to run through what a variety of the tools are so that you know what's what. So we are in the Design Center. The first thing that you can do is add elements. So this includes a variety of shapes, stickers, photos, tables, you name it. So let's add a photo to our video. So here I've added a photo. If I want that to be the background of my slide, I'm going to right click and select Set Image as Background. Now that'll be the background for the whole slide and it won't move around on me. The next thing I want to show you is text. There are some preset text options here, or you can just start with a default heading. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll just give my slides a title. On this dark background that I've picked, the black lettering is not showing up, so I'm going to highlight those letters. I can go up here to the color picker and change that. I can grab the little plus sign and move that around to where I want it to appear on the slide. The next area I want to point out to you is the Uploads area. Here you can upload your own images, video, or audio from your computer. You can also have faster uploads directly from your Google Drive if you want. Once you upload something, it'll appear down here, and then you can add it to your slides. So these are things that I've uploaded in the past. So maybe I want to add my chef to this. I'm just grabbing him and moving him around. If I wanted him to be a little smaller, I'm going to grab a corner and shrink him down. You can also pick the drawing tools to draw right on the slide with markers, highlighters, etc., and change the color of what you're drawing with here. There's also a variety of apps that you can use. Maybe you want to add a QR code to your slide. There are some cool AI version things that you can do now to help you create images based on prompts. So a lot to explore there. At the bottom here we have a tab just specifically for images. So those are the main things that you might add to your slide. Slides automatically default at 5 seconds. If you had more to say on this slide, if you were adding audio and want it to be longer, you can just grab the edge of the slide and drag it. Now it's 11 seconds. To add my next slide, I'm just going to hit the plus sign and start with my next slide. You put another dish on here, right click to make this the background, and maybe this time I'm just going to add a graph. So that kind of shows you the general idea. Now when it comes to adding the audio to this slide, I can show you how to do that. I'm going to go to Uploads. Now if you pre-recorded audio, you can upload it from the audio area. If you want to do it on the spot, you can select Record Yourself. So I'll show you what happens when you do that. Kind of takes you to another place. So you have some choices here. You'll see that my image is here in a circle. I can also change it to a square shape. This can be moved around because it's sort of blocking my graph there. Maybe I want it up in the top corner or down in the bottom. That's your choice. You can also turn the camera off, but that'll indicate to your viewers that there is audio added to this slide. When you're ready to record, you're going to hit the record button and it will give you a countdown. Here's my audio recording on my sample slide. You can see that it's red here because it is recording me. At any time that I get stuck, I can pause, then resume. When I'm all done, I'm going to select Done. It's going to let me preview it where I can trash it or redo it or keep it. So I can preview it here. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll delete it. If everything's good, I'll just go save and exit. It'll run right through your recording so that you see it automatically made the slide long enough for the recording. Okay, so for your video presentation, you may obviously have more than 2 slides, but for our purposes today, I'm just going to say that we're done. So I'm ready to share it with the class. I'm going to go to the share button up in the top right. Now you have a couple options here. What you do not want to do is just copy this link. Right now it's locked that only you have access. But let's say you switched it to anyone with a link and you copy this link. Look at that. That means anyone that you're sharing with can come in and edit your slides. That's not what you want for your video presentation, so you're not going to do that. What you want to do instead is to copy the public view link here. Select Create Public View Link, and this link can be shared in Canvas for this assignment. There is another option for sharing. Again, going to the Share button. Instead, I may want to download this as an MP4. This will save the MP4 to my computer downloads. From there, I can upload that MP4 to YouTube and share the link from YouTube. So those are your options for sharing your video work that you've created in Canva. I hope that helps you get started.